Hi everybody. Today we're going to do lesson 8:15. I need a pen. 8:15, and that is going to be writing the equation of the line given the slope and the y-intercept. So we're going to say write equation of line. Okay, and we're going to be given the m and the b. Okay, the m and the b. Okay, so here's what I mean. I'm going to make a little table here, kind of like we did in the last lesson, but we're going to go backwards. Slope. Hold on. Okay, first column, slope. Second column, y-intercept. Third column, equation. Okay, so it's going to be a quick one. So the slope is our m value. The y-intercept is our b value. And the equation is y equals mx plus b, where we fill in the m and the b. So for instance, number one, if I'm given the slope of 3, and a y-intercept of 8, well, instead of writing y equals mx plus b, I would write y equals 3x plus 8. Okay? So all we're doing is we're given the slope and the y-intercept, and we're writing the equation of the line. All right, let's do another one. Number 2. I'm only doing 4. 1 is the slope, and -5 is the y-intercept. So in place of the m, so we're going to write y equals, in place of the m, we put a 1, and then x. And then in place of the plus b, we're going to actually write -5. Okay? Now, this could be written as y equals x minus 5, and that's because there's always a 1 before that x if there's no other number. All right, let's do another one. 3. This is going to be the shortest lesson so far. -1 is your slope. -3 is your y-intercept. So it's y equals the slope, -1, and then an x, and then -3 for the plus b. It's actually a -3 in this case. Okay? All right, last one I'm doing with you. Number 4, -1/3 is your slope, and 2 is your y-intercept. So the way this line would be written is y equals -1/3x plus 2. Okay? All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 4 to do on your own. And yeah, hold on a minute. Okay, so hit pause so you can copy down these problems. Okay, so I've changed the numbers, and what I want you to do is write the equation of the line given the slope and the y-intercept in the first 2 columns. Okay. Okay, so here are your answers. I hope you did okay on these. If there's anything you got wrong and you're not sure why, I am online from 11:30 to 12 every day. Just go to the stream on Google Classroom. You'll see the link. Have a great day, everybody.